We are back from my walk. Had to run upstairs and get my mic. Don't think that I just walk around with this thing. I was annoyed with myself because I did not make the time that I wanted. So we did, if you can see that, 7K. My average pace was only 11:07, which is not my best. But we move. I did used to run, but I've got bad knees. I've got bad ankles. Like, I'm getting freaking old. So what's on deck for today is like, we're going to record some content and then we're going to go to the seaside. And we live in London. I live in just outside of London now, actually. I've moved outside of London. And so the seaside is a bit of a foreign concept. Like, British people, we don't go to the seaside. That's why we love to go on holiday. But today I just thought, you know what? It's a random Tuesday. I'm obviously recording this. And I thought, let's do something different. So my sister's going to come round. My sister works with me. We're going to do some content in the morning. And when I say content, I mean record ads to make money. Okay, we use ads to sell our digital products right now. And then we're going to go to the seaside. First of all, though, I need to clean my kitchen. My kitchen is a mess. And I don't know why my husband cannot leave the kitchen clean, right? I've gone on a walk. I've come back. This kitchen is a mess. It's an absolute mess. So maybe we'll do a little time lapse while I tidy it. And obviously I've got to do it before I shower. Otherwise, it's just not going to get done. So let's call it the part 2 of my workout, shall we? All right. We've done a quick clean of the kitchen. That's as much cleaning as I've got in me. Like, I have a cleaner that comes, but you know, when I get home, I want it clean. Anyway, this is not a cleaning vlog. We are going to get dressed, start recording some content. It is now 7:41 a.m. where the time has gone, but we need to be sit down and ready to record by 8:15. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so checking back in. It's 9:20. Obviously didn't get to work by 8. Spent a bit of time, I would say, doing my hair, but you're going to look at me like, Rochelle, that hair ain't done. I need to straighten it, but like putting in my hair. And now we're going to get dressed. So usually my hair doesn't take this long, but I just didn't know what to do with it today. But it's going to be looking a lot better by the next time you see me. So I just like to give myself little deadlines. Let's be honest, I work for myself. I have no time that I need to be ready for anything. But if I don't give myself little deadlines, I will never get shit done. So it's 9:21. I need to straighten my hair and put my makeup on. The good thing is though, I came up, and most of the days, by the way, I'm not wearing any makeup. I'm in sweatpants. But the good thing is, right, I was like doing a bit of prayer, doing a bit of journaling, which is like not time for me to pick up the camera. But I came up with a ton of content ideas, and this is just how content ideas come to me. Like, I'll literally just be praying or journaling or meditating and thinking back on stuff that's happened in my life and in my business, and that's how I come up with my content ideas. More content ideas here. So all I need to do is get dressed, record a few videos, and then we out to the beach, baby. So it is now 11:06. We are done for work for the day. I've recorded a few ads. I've recorded some content. My sister's downstairs watching Special Victims Unit. Didn't know that people still watch that. Anyway, we now want to go to the beach. Let's go. I reckon the sea would have been here at some point. Like, we're wondering where the sea is supposed to be. It looks like the sea has dried up. So we have random boats, like, but you see how far the sea is? Yeah. Here's a thought that lives rent-free in my brain. Everyone here enjoying their free time, like not stuck in corporate, able to sit at the seaside, even though there's no sea. They're all of a certain demographic. I'll let you guess which one. And of a certain age group, okay? Most of them are like 60 plus. Now that's fine. I have nothing against people of any age group or any demographic, but why is there not more people that look like us actually enjoying our life? Why are we stuck in our corporate jobs right now? Why are we not sipping cocktails near the sea? Because we've never had the opportunity to create income in the way that suits us, in the way that suits women that look like us. And it just crystallizes my mission even more. Like, I should not be the only one able to enjoy this. And I realize it's a huge privilege, but I also realize that God has called me to help more people have this same privilege. So consider it's game time, baby. I'm about to go on the offensive and release as much content as I can to help you have this lifestyle too. So we just got back to the car from the beach. Okay, so before we go shopping, we are by the laptop, excuse my messy boot, and Claude is pushing live one of my apps. This is the reality, you know. We work from anywhere, including the car boot. Are you okay?
No, so I want you to drive to the car park.
No, we're not driving. We're going to get some steps. We're going to get some more steps so we could be soft girl, hot girl CEOs. Okay, so again, so you can see what we were doing. Claude has just deployed one of my apps. It's about to make me a lot of money. And now we can go shopping. So we finally finished the app. Now we get to go shopping. And if you're from London, you probably know where I'm shopping, but I'm not going to say. But just know this is one of my favourite places ever. Okay, so I've just got home. I've dropped my sister to the station. It's 7 p.m, so we're going to wind down. Now, I don't know how this vlog is going to be edited. I might come across as a little bit of an idiot, just running around saying that I make money, going to the seaside, and it may look like my life is so easy. And honestly, many parts of it is, and I thank God for that. What you haven't seen here, though, is the days where I'm literally sitting at my laptop for hours on end, or the days when I'm taking coaching calls, or the days when I'm supporting people in my community. So every day does look different. I'm not here to sell you any dreams. This is hard work. But compared to what my life was like in my 9 to 5, and my arm is getting very tired right now, I'm gonna rest it down a little bit. But like, compared to what life was like in my 9 to 5, this is simple. It's not easy. It takes discipline. It takes work. But then you get to have days like this. This is a Tuesday. And I'm not sure what I've made today. I think I've actually had a lower sales day. I would love to be like, oh, I made like $2,000 today. I don't think I did. I need to check my numbers when I get in. But still, like, I know that last month, and we're on, what's the date today? The 7th? I think it's 7th of July. Last month I had the biggest month I've ever had, okay? Over like almost 40k in revenue last month, like crazy, okay? So this is not just about how much money I make or how much money you can make selling digital products. Obviously that's a huge part of it, but it's about the time freedom. You saw me today. I recorded some ads this morning. I answered emails on the train to the beach. Then when I got back, I pushed an app live from my freaking car boot, okay? My messy car boot. My husband's gonna kill me with all the stuff I've got in there. But yeah, you do not have to be chained at a desk. And I speak from someone that's been where you are. A lot of entrepreneurs, they talk about, oh, don't trade your time for money and quit your 9 to 5. They've never had 9 to 5s. I've had a 9 to 5 for 15 years. And so this life right here, it feels like a blessing. And so the days when I am working until 10, 11 and I take my laptop to bed, like I have those days as well. But then I remember like those are few and far between compared to these kind of days. And right now it's 7 p.m. I can't wait to go in and love on my husband and just like enjoy my evening. And will I work this evening? Yes, I will edit the ads that you saw me record earlier and I will schedule them for tomorrow. And that'll be it. Job done. I hope you've enjoyed this day with me. Look, my husband's pulling up. He's pulling up. He's like, what are you doing? Was I perfect at recording all the content? No. But if you want to see more like this, I promise you I'll get better. Okay, peace out.